Alright everybody, so we're back and we're getting ready to talk about a new kit that just arrived. Actually, it's not a kit, it comes built already from what we know, but let's go ahead and open it up. This is particularly from open source robotics. They can be found at OSBots.com. And basically what we've got here is the Arduino OSBase. So let's open up the box and see what we've got in store for us. So we have two clearly bubble wrapped components here. I'm not sure what they are just yet. I'm going to go ahead and take both of them out. And to our surprise, yep. Okay, so yeah, it is pre-built. That's the actual OSBot, or the OSBase. Let's put this aside for now. Okay, so what we've got here is the actual OSBase, the Arduino OSBase. So what it looks like comes with here is a shield and an Arduino board. This shield looks like a motor controller of some sort, and this should pop right off, which it does. And below it you'll see that we have an Arduino. Very nice. Let's check out this construction real quick of this unit. Okay, that's seated properly. So right out the bat we can see that this is a pretty good solid construction. I'm not sure if that's steel or aluminum, but it's some kind of metal, and it's definitely pretty dense, which is good. It looks like it can take a beating. These tracks are rubberized and they're one piece altogether, which is then a nice thing. We've built a couple track units, something like DF Robot's Robot Shop Rover and the Robotics Connection Trackster 2, and they both had some challenges building the tracks. This one is rubber, which is nice. For example, on the Robotics Connection Trackster 2, it's not rubber, it's plastic, therefore it slips around a lot. This one should be pretty grippy. The other thing I noticed is that I don't see where the batteries are going, but I do see power coming into the board, which is pretty interesting. And I also see a plug here and a switch. Let's see if we switch it on. Oops. It's a 3-position switch. So those two are off for some reason, and this one's on. Now it looks like it's pre-programmed to do something out of the box. I'm going to be daring enough to let it go for a little while and see what happens. Whoa! Yep, you can see that this is pretty grippy. It just climbed right up my shirt without a problem there. Let me go ahead and switch it off. Okay, so we know that it comes pre-programmed with something, and it's ready to go with batteries charged. Yep, and this is just a basic power adapter which plugs in like so. And that's it. There's no manuals or anything, but I think everything can be found online. That's just a quick introduction. What I want to do is just go ahead and open it up a little bit in the next video and just see what's inside of the unit. We're not going to do anything fancy with opening it up. We're just going to, there's 4 screws, we're going to open it up. I'm assuming we're only going to see a little bit of wiring, some switches, and the connections, and probably a battery pack, because there's no other sign of a battery pack inside of this. Maybe if we're lucky it's a LiPo battery pack, which would be nice. Either way, that's about it. Hope this will conclude this video, and check out the next one to see the interior of the Arduino OSBase robot.